In today's video, I will walk you through how to change year-end in Xero. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. Look across the top navigation bar and find the Accounting option. Click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Accounting Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your accounting preferences and update your financial settings. Once you're on the Accounting Settings page, look for the section labeled Financial Settings. Click on Financial Settings to open the options available for your financial configuration. After the Financial Settings page opens, you'll see several fields and settings. Find the line labeled Financial Year End. This is the setting you'll need to update. Next to the Financial Year End information, you'll see a Change button. Click on Change to begin updating your financial year end. After selecting Change, you'll be asked to choose the day and month for your financial year end. Use the available drop-down fields to select the day first, then choose the month that you want your financial year to end. Take your time to make sure you've selected the correct day and month before moving on. Once you've finished making your selections, review the information to confirm it matches the financial year end you want to use. When you're satisfied with the selected date, scroll to the bottom of the section and click Save. This will apply the changes and update your financial year end in Xero. After saving, your updated financial year end will be stored in your financial settings. You can return to this section at any time if you need to review the information or make another change in the future. If you're updating your financial year end as part of your regular accounting setup, make sure you've selected the intended day and month before saving so the correct date is recorded in your settings. Once the changes have been saved, the process is complete. Your financial year end has now been updated successfully in Xero. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please like and subscribe.